Hi, my name is Janica. I'm a product specialist here at EarthWay, and today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble the 2050 SU or even the 2050P. They have the same setup, very similar to the 2030s. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take off these rubber grips, and you're going to go ahead and post up the handle of your spreader. There's some wing nuts right here, and all you have to do is tighten them. And that is it. Your spreader is already set up. And of course, to dismantle the unit, all you have to do is untighten the wing nuts and push down the handle, and then you can just store it pretty easily. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact sales@earthway.com. Thank you so much for watching.